Well, for you guys, I like to have a turbo flutter. If you have changed to an aftermarket turbo, you'll want to cap off the solenoid up here because you won't be using the electrical to the bypass valve on the factory turbo. So you just take those two hoses off there, you cap it. What you'll do there, and for references right there, just to the right of the dipstick. And then the true vacuum, you can just get you a map tap, like I have here on my monsoon intake manifold, and run the hose. I have mine running behind the manifold over here to the guardian angel. You have an input and output. Then I have my output going down here to the blow-off valve. You can't see the hose down there, but you see the purple blow-off valve. You do that setup, they'll give you the turbo flutter. I never really paid much attention to it. I've had guys comment asking me how I have it sounding the way I do, and after looking around, that's how you do it.